So today, we don't have a chairperson, so I want to start by myself. My name is Takeo Minari from Priways in Japan. And in this work, we actually have another collaborator from Sumitomo Metal Branding Company, and they also contributed to this work. And today I want to present the kappa nickel complex things for printing technology. So I want to start my talk and go to the introduction. Okay. And so as everybody knows, that silver is the most commonly used metal materials in the field of the printing electronics. However, the silver is an expensive metal at high cost, and it also has the problems with the ion migration in the circuits and the poor soldering abilities. So there is a strong motivation to develop the copper-based ink. But on the other hand, the copper ink also has a big limitation that is very sensitive to the oxidation. And so in this work, I like to introduce our recent development about the copper nickel complex. And so the my complex is the kind of as the first speaker speak about the kind of the ionic state and reactive type inks. And in this picture, the left three inks are the copper complex, and the right three inks are the nickel complex. And in this work, we actually mix them together to improve the oxidation stability under air. And after printing the copper nickel mixed ink onto the substrate, and if we increase the temperature, the reduction of the metal ion will be starting. And then we can obtain the metallic films, pure metallic films as the result of the thermal decomposition process. And then, so I want to discuss what is the reaction principle of the complex inks. And the principle is actually the use of metallic formate as a raw material of the ink. And the important property of the metal formate is it can be reduced at the high temperatures, and we can obtain the pure metallic fumes. And but it's the metallic formate is actually in the powder state. So if we want to print that, so we need to dissolve it into the amine solutions. And in case of the nickel amine complex, it also can be reduced at the high temperatures, and we can obtain the metallic film after the reduction process. And so in this reduction process, the selection of the amine molecules are quite important actually. And the difference in amine result in the different surface morphology, so you can see in the right figures. And so actually we have checked the lot of different combination of the amine solutions. And finally, so we find it the best combination of amines for the copper and for the nickel formate. And now we successfully synthesized the best copper nickel alloy. And so now I want to present the movie, and it expresses the pyrolysis process of the copper nickel complex. And now we have the hot plate, and the current temperature is displayed here. And this blue coating is the copper nickel complex on the glass substrate. And now